people of the internet, my name is Tatiana. Welcome back to another video. Today we have another Sezane haul. I may have a bit of a shopping problem, however, my dad, who isn't really into fashion, once told me that if you find a piece of clothing that you feel comfortable in and it really fits you, you should just get it in multiple colors. And honestly, it was one of the best advice I have ever received. So that's what I did today. We're gonna get to it soon, but as you can see, I'm already wearing one of the best pieces I have ever bought from Sezane. It's the Emile Cardigan, and it's so good. I just had to get it in more colors, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. This video is not sponsored. I bought everything with my own money. I just genuinely love the brand. However, with that being said, if a Sezane marketing manager for Europe or like PR influencer relations is watching this, my email is in the description. Let's get in touch. I would love to be on the PR list for this brand. Like, that's one of the biggest dreams that I'm having. As usual, before we get into it, my sizes are right here so that you can compare in case you want to buy these pieces yourself. Let's get to the haul. As I said, I absolutely love this cardigan and I've been wearing it daily since I bought it. So I got it in 2 more colors. I'm kind of glad that the other colors were sold out because honestly I'm not sure if I would be able to stop myself at 3. I was really considering getting the yellow one and the red one and the light blue one and you know, oh, and the green one. Like, the colors just look so nice and the fit of this cardigan is so flattering that honestly I would be able to buy all of the colors if obviously I was richer and they weren't sold out. But I decided to go with the lilac color and the bright pink. And oh my god, it's actually, is this a bisexual flag colors? A little bit about these sweaters. They are natural wool with a blend of alpaca. They are really warm and flowy and just so cozy. I absolutely love wearing this sweater because it's kind of casual, but also it looks put together. And the fit is just so flattering. I've seen so many people on the internet try these sweaters on and it just works for any body type. One thing though that nobody really talks about when it comes to these sweaters is that it's probably the alpaca hair that is kind of coming out. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, probably not. There are these strands that come out and they can leave the residue on the other clothing you're wearing or like on the seat and so on. It's nothing too concerning. It's just I noticed that nobody talks about it and I wanted to point that out, that maybe if this bothers you then this sweater might not be for you. But yeah, I'm absolutely happy with these and I'm so glad I got them, and I would just love more colors, but there are limits to everything. All of these cardigans are sized small. However, I feel like this blue one fits a little smaller. I don't know if I shrunk it when I washed it. I don't think I did because I didn't wash it on a high temperature or anything. It was like a really gentle wash. Maybe I didn't dry it properly. Maybe you're actually supposed to block it every time you wash it. I don't know. But yeah, I feel like the sleeves are a little shorter on this one that I've had for a while compared to the new ones. I'm gonna keep monitoring that. I'm wondering if it's just like really my mistake in the way I washed it, or if this cut was just a slightly bit different, because I was actually considering sizing up with these, but then I was like, you know what, no, I'm not going to, and I'm glad I didn't because they fit a little more oversized, so it's a little confusing. Next up, I have the Selene Jumpsuit, which is super nice. I just wish I actually listened to them and went with a size smaller. Usually there are size recommendations on their website, like if you're in between sizes you should take the smaller or the larger size. With this one, it wasn't for in between sizes. They were like, it runs a little bit large, you should go with the smaller one. But I was like, there is no way that my ass would fit in a size 36, so I went with the 38, because normally I wear pants in the size like 38, 40 in the European sizes. So I got the 38 and it is a little bit big, especially like up here, I feel like there is a lot of fabric, but also in the waist area, and the length doesn't quite hit like it does on the model. So whenever they have the size recommendations on there, I suggest actually following them, because I think if I had sized down, this would be a perfect fit that would just, like, you know, hug you in all the right places. It's a lovely piece, and it's a really nice like denim fabric. It has a tiny bit of a stretch to it, but it's not gonna like get larger over time, so that's very nice, especially like when it comes to jeans. You don't want them to be too stretchy. The zipper is a really nice detail, and it just kind of has this like sophisticated but sexy look to it, which I really love. So I'm a little upset it doesn't fit me exactly like I imagined. And last but not least, I feel like this video is kind of oversaturated, so hopefully the camera can pick it up. We've got these beautiful espadrille shoes. As usual, my camera decided to overheat, so I'm just going to continue on my phone. Where was I? Yeah, look how cute they are with the little embroidered daisies. I have been on the lookout for espadrille shoes for like 2 years now. Everybody was recommending these Castañer espadrilles, and I actually got them last year. They were so uncomfortable somehow. Like, I don't know why people are hyping them up. Those were horrible. These fit so well. I was a little confused about the sizing, because there is like French sizing and Italian sizing. I'm like, what? I didn't know there is a difference. I just know my European sizing. It did say to size up, I think. So normally with sneakers, I wear size 38, and with high heels and stuff like this, somehow I always have to wear size 37, 37 and a half. So I went with size French 38 with these, and I think it fits very well. I think it would be even better if they had half sizes, but these are amazing. The toe box, or whatever you could call this, is quite wide, so even if you have like a higher whatever that part of your foot is called, you will fit in there, because my feet are quite thin and I still have enough wiggle room, and I also have a tiny bit of room in the back. This does not scratch your heel at all. I just need to find out how to properly tie these, but this is gonna be my go-to shoe for the summer. It really feels like I'm just wearing a slipper, and like the heel seems drastic, but honestly, I feel like it's not really like noticeable when I was walking in it. That's how comfortable they are. So this is like a holy grail. I also couldn't decide whether I want the plain ones or the ones with the daisies, but I'm so glad I went with the ones with the daisies, because they are so cute. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought about the pieces that I tried, what you think in general about Sezane, which other colors of this Emile cardigan I should get, because I'm obsessed. And yeah, you know, if you think of anything, let's just chat in the comments. I always love seeing what you all are thinking and just chatting with you there. So just drop the comments below, and I will see you next time. Bye!